Hello everyone, this is Andy here from ROVE Cam, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the memory card with your ROVE Cam correctly. First, we wanted to make sure that you always purchase the genuine memory card. For example, this one I have Samsung Class 10 UHS 3 memory card. These two cards are the Samsung. On the left, they are genuine memory card. On the right, I have one of the Chinese made Class 10 memory card, even though it says Class 10, which is a knockoff card. And this is the incorrect memory card, which is made by Gigastone. It's 4 GB, but it is only a Class 4. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to resolve the issue and how to use the memory card for the first time. So let's get started. Before first time using and installing memory card, make sure your camera is plugged into the power. If the camera turns on, make sure you turn it off by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and install the memory card. This is the front of the camera. This is the back of the camera. When you install the memory card, make sure the gold contacts are facing the front of the camera. And then we're going to go ahead and install it. First, we're going to insert the memory card halfway in. As you could see, it has a spring mechanism. So to insert it all the way, you could use your fingernail, or if you could use a paper clip. Push inwards until it clicks and stays in. And at this point, you could say the memory card has been installed correctly. To remove it, all you have to do is use your fingernail to push inwards until it clicks and then pops out halfway. And then all you have to do is just remove it. Okay, so since now the card is installed correctly, let's go ahead and turn on the camera for the first time. Press the power button once, the camera will turn on. And guess what? It says please insert micro SD card. Wait a second, I have already inserted the micro SD card. Why does it say that? Well, the reason it says that because your newly purchased memory card has a different format system. It does not match with the ROVE R2 4K format system. So it's very easy to get this working. All you have to do is press the menu button once to clear the message. Now press the menu button again to go to video settings. I'm holding camera at an angle so you can see it. Now press the menu button again. It will switch over to the system setting. Now press the down arrow and scroll down until you see format. There we go. As you could see format, press OK button to enter the format menu. Press the down button once to highlight OK and watch for it. As soon as I hit OK, it's going to go super quick. It will say please wait and it will go away. That means formatting is done. There we go. Please wait and format is done. Press the menu button to exit the menu system, and now your camera is ready to go. At this point, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn off the camera. As you could see, memory card is inserted already. All you have to do is press the power button once to turn on the camera. And at this point, the camera should turn on and start recording. You see that? The red blinking dot, timer counting up, looking for a GPS signal, which is good. Since I'm inside the home, it's not going to get the GPS signal, but as you could see, the camera has started to record and it is set to go. So this is how you format the memory card before first time use. Thank you.